Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tosin. Today we're majorly going to be unboxing and reviewing the Ridstar Q20, the big box in front of me. I decided to get rid of my Jansno X50 e-bike because I didn't like the physical appearance and other things that were wrong with the bike. I don't know if you guys watched my last video. There were too many things wrong with the bike in terms of like physical appearance, not like performance wise. And the price of me modding the bike just didn't make sense. So I decided to get a new e-bike, and the e-bike is here today, guys. Ridstar Q20. Mine is a Lux version, meaning like it has a different colorway than the regular Q20 e-bike. So we're gonna be seeing the colorway. We're gonna be unboxing the bike, setting it up, and like seeing other mod products that I bought that we're gonna be adding to the bike. I got the bike with my money. This is not like a paid collaboration between me or any brand. So let's get into it, guys. I decided to get a bike seat cover for the bike because I don't like the colorway that the Lux version of the Ridstar Q20 has. You guys are gonna see the colorway, but I decided to get a black color to like cover the bike seat. Also, it's like more friction for me as I ride. So as you can see, bike seat cover. So these are products I got because like according to reviews, the Ridstar Q20 bike has a very poor front and rear suspension. So this is a rear air suspension I got. This is a shock pump, as you guys can see. Shock pump, and these are like accessories for the start nut for the front fork in case I make any mistakes with the start nuts. I bought one for cover. New front display for the bike. I don't really like the colorless LED front display of the Ridstar Q20. You guys are gonna see the stock display, but I got a color LED display. Hopefully it works so it's compatible with the bike. You guys can see. This is a battery converter I bought for the bike because I bought an extra battery for the bike. I was actually planning to get the Ridstar Q20 Pro, but I didn't have enough funds to cover the Pro version. So I decided to get like an extra battery, and obviously it's like an opportunity for me to actually work on the bike myself, which adds more fun to having the Ridstar Q20, like modding the bike yourself. So this is like a battery converter for the bike. I'm not gonna tear it open now because the battery has not yet arrived. It's gonna take like a week or so. So this is the battery converter. You guys are gonna see when I install the battery, the extra battery on the new bike. This bike comes with one battery. We're gonna see. This is a cheap tracker I got off Amazon just for protection. Let's see. I already used one of the tags, but this is how it looks. This is how the other one looks. Just for extra protection, safety, of course. This is a switch for the battery, as you guys can see. Switch. WD-40 for lubrication of bike parts. Full twist throttle. I decided to also get this drone for my videos to improve my videos, and I actually got it for a steal off Facebook Marketplace. It's a Hover Air X1 Pro Max drone. You guys are gonna love the videos that come out of this, God willing. So this is a air front suspension that I bought for the bike. We're gonna unbox the bike first, and then this, and then we install. Hopefully, it's the right measurement and size. We're gonna see. And for the start of the show, time to finally unbox the bike. As you guys can see, the bike has a brown colorway, the brown, black, white, and that's what makes it the Lux version. It's not any much more different to the regular 1500 watts version. So this is how the bike looks out of the box. Let's continue unboxing and assembling. More tools from the toolbox: pedals, tools for installation, Allen key, wrenches, headlights, bike headlights with guard, battery charger. I don't know why mine doesn't come with a fan. The battery chargers I see on YouTube normally come with a fan. They are much more bigger. I don't know why mine is like this. But it's a 3 amp charger. Yeah, bike charger. This is the manual for the bike. Colorful, detailed. Keys for the bike, when the bike bag. So I'm just gonna get to charging the battery right now. When I'm done, I can go for a ride. Ooh, the battery is sexy, man. The Ridstar bike battery. It's a 48 volts, 20 amp hour battery. Let's charge. Yeah, it's Big Zoo. Yes, I'm here now. Let's go.